brother, Senator J.V. Ejercito, is known as the good one. Okay lang po yan. Dahil kapatid ko naman siya. But let me be known as the other Strada who went after the bad ones. I will expose and relentlessly pursue the bad ones regardless of the risk and notwithstanding the cost. Hindi ako natatakot at lalong hindi ko papayagan na gamitin ng masasamang tao ang nakaraan ko para lamang patahimikin ako. I have been jailed. I have been vilified, crucified, and publicly humiliated. But I will never allow the likes of Bryce Fernandez to turn the tables on me. Kayo ang nasasakdal sa mata ng taong bayan, hindi ako. Mr. President, I vow never to let the masterminds and engineers of this massive defrauding of the Filipino people to silence me. Hindi pa ako tapos at lalong hindi ko kayo uurungan.